students, welcome, and today we will discuss speaking part 1. In speaking part 1, the examiner asks you questions regarding your hometown, your friends, your school and other stuff. So today we will discuss social media. Okay. So the first question is, do you or your friends like using social media? You can say yes, me and my companions. You can also say friends here. Love being on social media. Moreover, it is an integral part of our daily lives. Today we know everybody uses social media. So, it is an integral part, it is an important part of your daily life. Allowing us to stay connected, share experiences through photos and videos as well. Social media allows you to connect to friends. You can message them, call them, you can post your photographs on Facebook or Instagram. Okay, as well as interact easily with each other. You can interact easily with each other. How? You can message them, call them, or chat on groups. Okay. So the second question is, do you think you use too much social media? Now you can disagree or you can agree. You can say you do not use social media much as you do not have the time to use social media as you are busy with your studies, or you can say differently. You can say that yes, you do use social media too much, you are trying to improve upon that. Let's look at the sample answer. While I am fond of social media, I sometimes use it too excessively, especially when I am on a holiday. Here you are saying that you use social media, you enjoy it, but sometimes you use it too much, excessively. Why? Because you like it, you enjoy posting your pictures, and you post it on when you are on a holiday. Okay, you can also say when I go to a party, I always post pictures of that party as well. Okay. However, nowadays I'm trying to be mindful of the time spent on various social media platforms and replace it with healthy habits like yoga and meditation. Now, here, however, signifies a change in the mood, a change in the direction of the statement. In the first statement, you talked about that you use social media excessively, but now you are describing a change with the word however. So here you can say that you are trying to be mindful of the time that you are spending on social media. Being mindful means thinking about the time that you are spending, not mindlessly spending. So you are looking at the statistics on how much time you are spending and changing your course. How? By replacing it with habits such as yoga and meditation. You can also say that you are spending time going to the gym, you are doing philanthropic work also. So you are basically dividing your time from social media to other things that are more important, that have a bigger impact, that will develop your personality. So this is how you can reply to the questions. So the third question is, do you want to work in social media and why? You can say no, you do not want to work in social media as you are not comfortable with working in social media companies, or you do not like because you have other likings. You are more inclined towards working in an engineering firm, or you are more inclined towards working as a lawyer, or you're studying to be a doctor. But here I have given a different answer. So let's look at that. I would definitely love the opportunity to work in the social media industry as it can be accessed from anywhere. Yes, social media can be accessed from anywhere. It's a fully remote job. So you can work in anywhere around the world. Okay. It provides room for creativity as well as allows for interaction with a wide audience. Social media is very creative. We have small shorts, we have long format videos, as well as with the help of video editing, we can change the aspect with regards to color, orientation, and other features as well. And you can shoot it anywhere. Plus, with social media, you have different topics. You can make videos about cooking. You can make educational videos. You can make videos about technology. So you can make different kind of videos. Furthermore, jobs related to social media are well paying and offers greater flexibility. Jobs related to social media are highly flexible. Why? Because you can work from anywhere around the world. Wherever there is internet available, you can work there for a social media company. So let's look at the fourth question. What's the most popular social media in India and why? Now here the question is asking about most popular social media platforms in India. But you can answer it for your country. For example, if in your country Snapchat is more popular, or Twitter is more popular in your country, you can answer that. But here I've answered with respect to India. According to me, Instagram and Facebook have the highest number of users in India. You can say, according to you, Twitter has the most highest number of users in your country. Instagram is especially admired by the youth as they upload reels and stories all the time, while Facebook is favored by middle and old age people due to its simple user interface. Some people prefer simple user interfaces, while some people prefer complex user interfaces. Okay, so you can say, while my mother uses Facebook, I prefer Instagram for my communication or to connect with my friends. Okay, as well as being one of the oldest social media platforms. Now, Facebook is one of the oldest social media platforms, and this is why it has got a huge user base. Okay, but now we have new social media platforms such as Snapchat, and which are gaining more traction among the youth. So these are some of the questions with regards to social media and how you can answer them. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button